All right, so hero or traitor? That's the question at a special mock trial next week happening at the Harris Theater. Attorneys in modern day will argue a case about a controversial figure in ancient Greece, and it's all part of the National Hellenic Museum's Trial of Themistocles. Here live to tell us more about it is Anna Demacopoulos. You are a first assistant state's attorney and a trustee for the museum as well.
Yes.
And then we also have Sarah King, your partner at Clifford Law. Good morning to you both, and thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
I have never heard of this before, and so I know you both have extensive legal experience. What is this mock trial all about, and how does this tie into ancient Greece?
So every year we've been doing this at the National Hellenic Museum, and the National Hellenic Museum is in the heart of Greek town. And the purpose of the museum is to share our culture, our heritage, and history with everyday Americans. So we try to coordinate, and every year we have this is a fundraiser for the museum. And we take something that happened in the past and make it relevant today. And we all know that, everyone loves to watch thriller trials, right? So what we have done is take something from the past and we retry the case here. Now in this particular case, which is happening on April 1st, we have some of the best trial lawyers in the city and judges that will be hearing this case. This is the first time in 10 years that I won't be sitting on the bench. I'll be sitting in the audience watching for the first time. And what's really kind of unique, right?
I'm going to miss you on the bench.
Well, I miss the bench too, but I'm going to be enjoying myself this year. What's very unique about this particular trial, this series, is that the audience's decision is what counts.
So like they're the jury?
Yes, they're the jury. So we will have 4 judges that will be sitting on the bench. We will have a celebrity jury who will also vote, but the audience gets to vote. They actually get to decide. And so in ancient Greece, there were 5,000 jurors.
Wow.
And the reason why there was 5,000 jurors is it was very hard to bribe 5,000 people.
I imagine so.
So that's why we have the audience. So they will get to vote. They will get to decide Themistocles' fate, because he was actually never tried.
He was not. He should have been, but he was not. So we are prosecuting Themistocles this year, my team. So on behalf of Athens, once a war hero, then turned traitor.
Wow.
Yes.
And it's so interesting when you see this on stage. We were showing some of the video as you were talking, Anna, and it looked like you were sitting in a modern day courtroom. We've got these high-powered attorneys and legal experts going at it here. Do you think this one will be very captivating for these people watching, who are the jurors essentially?
Yes, I think so. Themistocles is a very controversial figure. He definitely helped Greece and Athens win several wars, so war hero, but then essentially got drunk with power. So he lived too long, didn't die as a hero, and saw himself become a villain. So
I have to say, before we talk about the event that's tied to this, the fact that you guys are all busy legal experts and attorneys, I cannot believe you're doing this on top of it. But it's an amazing way to tie into the museum's work. And can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. Like I said, the purpose of the museum is to share our heritage and our culture. And one of the things that we've learned is that history repeats itself, right? Human nature repeats itself. And so the struggles that were happening back in ancient Greece are still happening today. As Sarah said, this particular trial is about a war hero, or somebody who was considered to be a strong patriot, but in reality then what ended up happening is he then went and worked, or became a ruler in Persia, which is their arch enemy.
Anna, I have to actually stop you because we ran out of time, but I want to get the event information here on the screen. So thanks to you both, Anna and Sarah, for joining us.
Thank you.
Here's the information. We have the National Hellenic Museum's trial. It's next Tuesday at the Harris Theater on East Randolph. For tickets, head to nationalhellenicmuseum.org. Use the code TRIAL2025 for a $25 discount, and we'll be right back.